Hello, everybody. April 4th today. Steve Nicole. Daily quiz number 28. And we're almost near the weekend again. Ready to do some bartending and stuff like that out there. Fortunately, I can't, but must be a lot of fun. I miss it. Anyway, let's get to the quizzes. Yesterday's quiz. I mentioned that winemakers, especially here in Canada, when it's springtime and the buds begin on the grapevines, the grapes start budding, that they have to worry about a late frost. And what they do, the winemakers, is they use sprinklers, spray water over the grapes so as to insulate them from the frost that comes at night. That's forecasted at night, thus preventing devastation on the in the vineyard. What is this called? It's called aspersion. That's what it's called, aspersion. That's the term used. All right, aspersion. Now today's quiz. It's an interesting quiz. It's to do with liquor. Now, it's not a cocktail, it's a highball. It was first used it's been known since about 1895. And it's called a Presbyterian. Okay, kind of an odd name for a drink, a religious drink, you would think. It's a highball. It's not a cocktail. Okay? What is a Presbyterian? That's the quiz of the day. What is a Presbyterian? Vague, silly question, perhaps. Nobody's going to know this answer unless you Google it. And for some reason, I remember this from a long time ago. Somebody said, "Oh, you know what the name of this is?" I said, "Well, it is such and such." They said, "No, it's actually got a name. It's Presbyterian." Okay. So we'll see you tomorrow. Have a great day. Stay well.